Welcome to our vlog!
Good morning, guys! Yo! We are all checked in and ready to go to our gate.
I'm tired.
Yeah. And sleepy? Yeah, I think it's 6:40, 6:45. Yung isa doon, umiyak pa yung kagabi na tayo umalis.
I can't wait to eat the pretzels they have on the plane.
Pretzels on the plane. Anyway, yeah, we're going to our gate. Okay, brekkie time. All checked in and past security. What did they get from your bag? What was confiscated?
A toy nerf.
Attention terminal United Airlines.
Nakuha yung nerf niya na maliit.
San Francisco is in its final boarding stages.
Anyways, dapat kasi hindi nilagay yun sa hand carry kahit laruan na baril-barilan, hindi talaga pwede.
Attention in the terminal, this will be your final boarding call.
We're here at the gate. On time so far.
To Vancouver, everyone, and once again 2-hour time change. Vancouver's 2 hours behind. Local time 11:23. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your baggage stowed until civil sign.
Exiting finally. It's with Daddy. We were all the way at the back. Okay. We're just looking for our next gate, but we still have 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. 3 hours left. 3.5 hours. Zeb, till our next flight. And si Daddy meron siyang lounge access dahil sa credit card niya yata. So we will be going there too. Hindi ko alam kung after pa na security or before security. But yeah, sabi ko kay Zach, kung memorable ba tong airport na to for him. Kasi, or for them. Even with Zeb. Wait lang. Ayan, so kung napanood nyo yung vlog namin nung unang lapag namin dito sa Canada. Dito yan sa Vancouver. YVR Airport. And you know, ang mga kaganapan ng pagsusuka nila sa aeroplano. O hindi, si Zeb lang pala nagsuka. Si Zach hindi. Pero siya yung nagkasakit din after. Memorable. I think may pictures kami dito sa escalator. Hindi. Walkalator na to eh. Kasi doon yung pa-Canada connection. Mali si Daddy. Mali pala. Dapat di kami nag-walkalator. Wait for us. So pagpasok dyan, you need to do this kiosk. Scan the passport, take a picture, and fingerprint. We found the premium Plaza Premium Lounge. This is where we're gonna eat. Okay, first food of the day would be the soup. Nakalagay is mixed vegetable, pero parang broccoli and cheese naman yung amoy niya, tsaka yung itsura. And then garlic bread and butter. Later we got the rice. Okay, main meal. We have basmati rice, veggies, and lamb stew. Oh yeah, let's eat. Dessert naman, we have tiramisu, raspberry something, and a bundt cake, red velvet bundt cake. Yeah, but si Zeb nagpakuha nitong tiramisu, and I wanna try this too. Okay, I got me some cocktail. Plaza Caesar. So, I'm not really sure what is this, pero tinanong ako kung gusto ko ng spicy or medium spicy. Sabi ko, medium lang. Yeah, so, syempre, magka-cocktail tayo. Sayang naman ang free flow. Si Zach, nakailang garlic bread yun, no? Sarap na sarap sa garlic bread. And butter. Anyway, let's do this. Okay, guys. Nagipit na ako ng buhok. Ang oily na ng aking hair. Papunta na kami ng gate. It's boarding soon. In 15 minutes. Maglaland kami ng 5:15 Calgary time. Kasi 1 hour behind yung Vancouver. So, yeah. Excited to see Cookie na. Alright guys, we are back in Calgary. Oh my gosh, nung pa-landing kami, as in, nag-landing na, may turbulence, nakakatakot, hindi ko na pinapakita ko yung takot ko dito sa dalawa, magkakatabi kami yung dalawa eh, ito ng kids, Diyos ko, gagasan na lang ako, puti na lang, safe naman kami nakaland. Anyway, yeah, we're going to our baggage.
Hold that.
Yeah. Oh. Give ba tayo? Yeah, here. Okay, we got our luggages. Yung isang luggage, nasira ang gulong. So sad. Anyways, we're waiting for Daddy kasi dinala niya yung sasakyan dito, pinarking niya sa parkade. So, ngayon, siya na lang yung pumunta doon kasi may shuttle pang sasakyan papunta doon sa parkade. And dami namin dala. So, kinuha niya na lang yung dalawang hand carry para madali na. And we're just waiting here and I need to charge my phone. So, yeah, need to find an outlet. Okay, so habang si Daddy was on the way kunin yung sasakyan, may message niya ako, sabi niya humanap ako ng Air Canada counter to report yung damage na luggage. So I did. And yung mabilis lang naman, nag-file ng incident report, may email na sinend, click the link, upload the photos, answer some questions, and then they will get back to us 2 to 3 business days. So, tinanong ako gaano katanda na yung luggage. Sabi ko mga 5 years, pero alam ko more than that pa ata, hindi ko matandaan. Kasi tinanong din yung presyo, roughly, hindi ko rin alam. So, nagbigay na lang siya, maybe 200 siguro, yeah, I think. So, hopefully, maka-refund ng 200. So, yeah. We're just waiting na lang for Daddy. And we will be back with Cookie daw. We miss Cookie. While we were gone, si Joseph, yung asawa ni Sheena Marie, ang nagda-drop by sa bahay to feed Cookie. Bumili kami ng automatic feeder for the dry food. Pero yung wet food, yun yung binibigay ni Joseph everyday. Tsaka nag-scoop siya ng litter box. So, yun. And we like talk to her sa camera. Pero syempre, nyaw-nyaw lang siya. Minsan deadma pa nga. So, tingnan natin kung kilala pa niya kami. Hey guys, we're home na. Mga 7 something. It's now 8:15. Mag-unpack naman tayo ngayon. OMG! Pagod, besh. Yung total hours ng flight, kung i-combine mo, yung flight from Austin to Vancouver, then Vancouver to Calgary, kung dire-diretso lang sana yon, it's just 6 hours. But since meron tayong layover, mga waiting time, parang ano din, nabot din kami ng parang 12 oras. Sa total, imagine, nasa airport na kami ng 6:00. Yeah, 6:00 doon. Nalilito na ako sa time difference. They are 1 hour ahead. Okay? So, 6:00 doon, 5:00 dito. Bale. Nasa airport na kami. Tapos, nakasakay kami ng sasakyan namin 7:00. So, even more than 12 hours, I think. Pagod, besh. But, yeah, it was a good vacation. Kagabi, hindi ko na yata na-vlog, no? Kagabi, umiyak yung isa. Na-vlog ko ba? I think so. I mean, hindi ko siya na-vlog, pero na-mention ko yata. Umiyak yung mana sa akin. Ayaw umuwi. Ayaw umalis. Pero wala tayong choice. Anyways, I don't know kailan ang next, kailan masusundan ulit. Or sila naman ang pupunta dito. We'll see. But in the meantime, we are back to reality, back to regular programming. May isang araw lang na pahinga bukas, which is not really pahinga kasi for sure continuation ng unpacking tomorrow. And then luto ka na ulit. And then pasok na ulit sa linggo. Sa linggo. Sa Monday. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog. I'll see you when I see you. I don't know when. Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe!
Good night! Si Daddy pala umalis at bumili ng McDo for dinner kasi syempre, wala nang energy mag-prepare pa ng dinner. So, dapat pala nag-ano lang kami, nag-drive-thru. Hindi namin naisip yun. Anyways, bye, Jack.
Bye.